Ah, it's snowing the little tiny,
it's pretty nasty out there.
kind of the little tiny snowball things. Okay, whoops. Turn the battery on.
Battery is on.
The battery is on, okay. Okay. And there's my light. Yay, okay. Alright, shall I try?
Huh? Yeah, go ahead.
I don't know what gear it's on. This is so cool. Oh! Put the balaclava up for sure. This is so cool. Kind of. There we go. The bright light's on, so you get the full effect. I don't think Pot's gonna be able to ride in this. Oh, it's so cool though. Oh my goodness. I don't know if there's any animals out. Can't really see. Visibility is not very good. Let's do a turnaround. Whew. Put on the... Whoop. And into the snowbank. Wish I could see behind me. It was kind of scary. Okay.
No, this isn't fun.
No, this is not fun.
Turn around.
I can't even really see with the light on.
I can't even see anything.
Woo! Are you good?
Go.
I mean, yeah, look at the flags blowing. Whoops. I missed the turn. Turning. Wrong door. Oh.
You could bump right up into the garage.
You think?
Right in. Right in.
Nope. Okay.
You're in. Coming in behind you. Coming in hot.
Okay. Well, it's a good thing we were dressed. It's a good thing we were dressed correctly, but...
Ooh, that was crazy.
my goggles were fogging. I mean, getting all crystallized from the snow blowing. That was crazy. And it was a little scary. I swear something came up beside me when I was turning around.
I came out and turned the corner and got slapped in the face by a blizzard.
Dang.
That was
Yeah.
something.
You couldn't see anything but snowflakes out in that field. Those fields. I was like, oh.
Well, folks, thanks for coming along for that ride. I'm gonna let these strikes thaw out, dry out. Whew. Nice.
Prepared?
Prepared. You're good. We're flopping around, but have fun. I'll open up the door. Where's the automatic door opener? Hit the wrong button last time. So on this one, it's 3. Lights. Oh, snowing. Yeah, it's pretty nasty out there. Mm-hmm.
Battery on.
Battery is on.
The battery is on. And there's my light.
Low battery. I guess I'm gonna have to charge mine.
Alright, should I try?
Huh? Yeah, go ahead.
I don't know what gear it's on.
That's okay. You'll figure it out. Next to be me. I'm up. Look at that. And that. Really can't see shit. There's Lolly. Oh my God! Are you kidding me? Smacked in the face with a frickin' blizzard. Yeah, no, this isn't fun.
No, this is not fun.
Turn around. I can't even see anything. I don't have a light. Hang on, stop so I can follow your tail light. Holy crap, you guys just can't even imagine what this wind is doing. Oh yeah, hang on. Go! Warning 0201. Anomaly detected. Push menu to continue. Okay. See if you could bump right up into the garage. Don't even stop. Don't even stop, baby. Right in. Right in. Nope. Hang on. I'll get you. Okay. Yeah, you're in. Coming in behind you. Coming in hot. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Jiminy Christmas. This is insane. Can the camera pick this up? It went from really nice to really bad, really fast out here. Whew, that was crazy.
My goggles were fogging. I mean, getting all crystallized.
Yeah,
From
pretty crazy.
that was crazy. I was a little scared. I swear something came up beside me when I was turning around.
I came out and turned the corner and got slapped in the face by a blizzard. That was something.
I couldn't see anything but snowflakes up in that field, those fields. I was like, ooh.
Well, folks, thanks for coming along for that ride. We're going to let these trikes thaw out and dry off. Whew. Night.